Normal distribution. What is meant by normal distribution and its probability density function? Probability density function of normal distribution is f of x is equal to 1 by sigma root 2 pi e to the power minus x minus mu square divided by 2 sigma square, where sigma greater than 0. This is the probability density function of normal distribution. So next, what is meant by standard normal distribution function? So here, if we take z as x minus mu by sigma, then in normal distribution, if you take z is equal to x minus mu by sigma, we get normal distribution function will become p of z is equal to 1 by root 2 pi e to the power minus z square by 2. That is known as normal distribution function. So that is denoted by p of z. So what is the curve? The curve of this is as shown in the figure and which is symmetric about the y-axis. Note that integral from 0 to z p of z dz is what we have to see what is the meaning of integral 0 to z p of z dz. So here we can see the diagram. When we integrate the curve p of z from 0 to z, we get the area under the curve from 0 to z, that is there in the diagram. So that is denoted by a of z. So when we integrate p 0 to z p of z dz, we get a of z, area under the curve from 0 to z. So for different values of z, we get different areas. So now we can note that p of z minus infinity to infinity. What is p of z minus infinity to infinity? So that is actually it is minus integral minus infinity to infinity p of z dz. So here integral minus infinity to infinity p of z dz is area under the curve from minus infinity to infinity. So from probability density function, integral minus infinity to infinity p of z dz is equal to 1. So area under the curve minus a of minus infinity to infinity also equal to 1. Next, half of that area 0 to minus infinity or 0 to infinity is half of that. So it is 0.5. So now we get for different values of z, we get the value of a of z. That is given by the table, normal table. Normal distribution table is there. From that we can get the value of a of z for different values of z. That is given by this table. You can see the table here. How to use the table? See here. Here if we have to find 0.50, that is 0.1915. If we have to find 0.51, 0.1950, 0.52, 0.53, 0.54. If we have to find 1.1, which is the first one, 1.11 is this, 1.12 is this, 1.13 is this. So if we have to find 2.15 or 1.85, so 1.8345. So 1.85 is here. So we can find for different values of z, we can get a of z. See here the graph is also given and they have given here the table entries represents the area under the standard normal curve from 0 to the specified value of z, that is mentioned here. So we can use this table to find a of z. Also in some problem they may give the directly they may give what is a of 0.1, a of 0.5. That time no need of using this table. If they are not giving the value, they will provide table, otherwise the value directly will be given at the end of the problem. Next, how to find P of 0 to 1.45. So that is the curve you can see here, 0 to 1.45. Actually it is A of area under the curve between 0 to 1.45. So that is denoted by A of 1.45. Always we have to start from 0 to use the table. So using the table we can find the value. See once again, to find the value, curve, next curve, then this, then next problem, to find P of minus 2.60 to 0. If it is negative value, then see the graph, negative side 0 to minus 2.60, that area and the positive side area both are same. So we can take it as 0 to 2.60. So we can write A of 2.60, that is equal to 0.4953 using table. So whenever negative value is there, we can take the positive part of that. That is a negative. Next, if it is next third one, P of minus 3.40 to 2.65. The graph of that, it is splitted in two parts, 0 to minus 3.4, 0 to 2.65. So graph of that, 0 to minus 3.4, 0 to 2.65. 0 to 2.65 is A of 2.65. 0 to minus 3.40, see the previous second one, we have taken positive value. So we can write it as A of 3.4 and the second is A of 2.65. We get the answer by using the table. Next, P of 1.25 to 2.1. Graph P of 1.25 to 2.1. So we have to start from 0. 0 to 2.1, 0 to 1.5. So 0 to 2.1 minus 0 to 1.5. So which is A of 2.1 minus A of 1.5. The answer is next, P of minus 2.55 to minus 0.8. Diagram, minus 0.8 to 2.5. Negative side is taken as a positive part, negative part area is same as the positive part area from 0.8 to 2.55. So we can write it as 0.8 to 2.55, which is A of 2.55 minus A of 0.8. Answer. Next, to find P of Z less than or equal to 1.7. Diagram, less than 1.7. This area under the curve is shown in the diagram. We can write it as A of 0 to minus infinity plus 0 to 1.7. 0 to minus infinity 0.5. So 0.5 plus 1, 0 to 1.7. 0.5 plus A of 1.7. Next, answer. Next, to find P of Z less than or equal to minus 3.35. Minus 3.35 less than or equal to minus 3.35, which comes this side, which is same as greater than or equal to 3.35. Same as greater than or equal to 3.35. So we can write P of Z greater than or equal to 3.35. Next, greater than or equal to 3.35 is P of greater than or equal to 3.35 is 0.5 minus P of 0 to 3.35, which is 0.0004. So here 0.5, so 0 to infinity minus 0 to 3.5. We have to get this part. So 0 to infinity minus 0 to 3.35 gives the area of this part. So 0.5 minus a of 3.35 is 0.0004. So that we have to remember that if we have to write a of 3.35 area under the curve, always it is 0 to 3.35. We can write it as a of 3.35. Next, P of mod z less than or equal to 1.85. Modulus z less than or equal to 1.85 is between minus and plus, which is in the diagram 0 to 1.85, 0 to minus 1.85. Both are 0 to 1.85. Negative is also a of 1.85. A of 1.85 plus a of 1.85 is 2 times is 0.9356. That these are how to find P of the value of P of z less than or greater than or between for different values of z, if it is negative, positive, etc.